Yeah, morning everybody. We're in the West End today. Second customer car. We have a 2012 Dodge Journey. And as you can see on this one, the wiper is stuck in that position. This is one I was telling you about. So the wiper won't move, but the washer will spray. The fuse is good. So we have the tools. We're bringing a few tools. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this plastic cover off and inspect the motor, see if it's actually working. This is what I was saying I was concerned about yesterday, guys. You can see that clip, right? That's supposed to be in. And there's another one here. That's the gap, and that's a clip in there. That's supposed to be in. Tells me that somebody was messing with this. So we're gonna get these hex bolts right here, and then everything else should be clips. There might be a bolt here, but yeah, let's do it. All right, guys, we're finished. Hey, just to give you an idea how cold it is, look at this. That's just my breath freezing, bro. It's rough. But hey, we got the motor. Oh, this is gonna be a rough video, but oh my god, being destroyed here. We got the motor out, you know what I mean? It's faulty right here, seized, not moving. Check the connection. There's fucking 14 volts going to this connector, so it's perfectly fine. The switch was fine, the fuse was fine, and the wiring is fine, which points to the last piece of the puzzle, with it being this thing is stuck. I don't know if I can go home and open it up and make it move again. That would be sick to fix the part, right? But for now, I'm gonna try and source the part because she really wants it done. So yeah, man, gonna get this one done, and she might be taking a detail as well. So it will keep you guys posted. But yeah, so mission success. Gonna move back now and get some stuff done. People coming to the house today to install the water meter. We're still just getting that shit. So yeah, Racine gone back to the house, and yeah, I'm gonna circle back my friend now, drop off our car. The business is it. Yeah, you know what I mean? Rolling in style today. Ride auto and all that shit. Heated steering wheel, heated seat. Woo! Life is good. But yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace, thanks for watching. Subscribe, share the video, you don't know. Little more. I'm out.